After 24 years, this Big Brother reunion was a huge surprise and it sent waves of excitement across reality television fandom in a way few could have predicted when the original house guests first walked into the house more than 2 decades ago. Big Brother has always been about twists, unexpected alliances, and shocking blindsides, but this reunion was not a scripted television twist. It was a heartfelt moment that brought together familiar faces from a show that helped define the modern era of reality television. The announcement came suddenly, catching even the most dedicated fans off guard. For years there had been speculation about whether CBS would ever bring back the legendary original house guests for a special reunion episode or segment. Fans have been nostalgic for that first season, the one that launched a phenomenon in the summer of 2000. Social media threads, fan forums, and Reddit pages have been filled with wish lists about seeing the house guests together again. The speculation only grew stronger as milestone anniversaries passed with no official recognition beyond a few interviews. Then, suddenly, after 24 long years, Big Brother delivered what the audience had been waiting for, a reunion that celebrated not only the legacy of the show but also the enduring impact of the people who once lived under constant surveillance in a groundbreaking social experiment. The reunion was a huge surprise because CBS kept it under wraps until the very last moment. Not even the most well-connected spoiler accounts managed to sniff out details. When the reveal happened, longtime viewer could hardly believe what they were seeing. Familiar faces, older but instantly recognizable, appeared on screen together for the first time in decades. Some of them had stayed in the public eye while others faded into private lives. But together they shared a bond that time could not erase. For those who watched the first season live, it was emotional. For newer fans who discovered the show later, it was a chance to witness the roots of Big Brother in America. The significance of this reunion extends far beyond nostalgia. Big Brother has been a cultural touchstone, influencing not only television formats but also the way viewers engage with social dynamics on screen. Back in 2000, the concept of live feeds where fans could watch contestants 24/7 felt revolutionary. Viewers became obsessed with the idea that they could spy on the cast at any moment, creating a new kind of interactive relationship between audience and show. That first season laid the foundation for everything that followed. Seeing those original cast members together again after 24 years reminded fans how groundbreaking the concept truly was. The reunion also carried a lot of emotional weight for the houseguests themselves. Many of them admitted that their lives had changed dramatically after being thrust into the public eye. Some spoke about the challenges of sudden fame, others about how the friendships forged in the house remained strong. A few revealed that they had not spoken in years and the reunion was the first time they reconnected. Watching those raw emotions unfold felt less like television and more like catching up with old friends who shared an unforgettable chapter of their lives. What made this reunion particularly special was the way it blended past and present. The production team wove together archival footage from the original season with live reactions from the returning house guests. Clips of iconic moments, old arguments, and funny highlights played on the big screen as the cast laughed, cringed, and sometimes teared up watching their younger selves. In an age where reality TV stars are often criticized for chasing fame, this reunion reminded viewers of a simpler time when the idea of locking strangers in a house to see what happened was fresh and unpredictable. Social media reactions exploded the moment the reunion aired. Fans old and new flooded X, Instagram, and TikTok with clips and commentary. Many called it one of the best moments in Big Brother history because it felt genuine and celebratory rather than forced. The hashtag dedicated to the reunion trend worldwide, proving that even after 24 years the show still holds incredible power to unite its audience. One of the most emotional highlights of the night came when the house guests reflected on how much society had changed since they first appeared on television. Back then the internet was still in its early stages of shaping culture, and the concept of online fandom was just beginning. Now reality television is intertwined with social media in ways no one could have predicted. The cast members acknowledged how fascinating it was to see the evolution of not just Big Brother but the entire landscape of entertainment and fan culture. Another surprising element was the presence of house guests from later seasons who showed up to honor the originals. This added another layer to the night, bridging the gap between generations of Big Brother players. It highlighted how the game had evolved from a simple social experiment into one of the most complex and strategic competitions on television. The veterans praised the pioneers who set the stage, while the originals expressed amazement at how far the game had come. It was a cross-generational celebration that underscored the legacy of the series. Of course, no Big Brother event would be complete without at least a little drama. During the reunion, some old tensions resurfaced as certain cast members revisited conflicts that had never fully been resolved. What was fascinating was how age and perspective had changed the way they addressed those conflicts. While a few heated moments emerged, most of the discussions ended in laughter or heartfelt apologies. It was a reminder that time really does heal wounds, even those played out in front of millions of viewers. The success of this surprise reunion has already sparked conversations about whether CBS will continue down this path. Could there be a full reunion season featuring the original cast or a mix of old and new players? Fans are already speculating and demanding more. Given the enormous buzz, the network may seriously consider making it happen. After all, Big Brother has always thrived on giving the audience what they didn't know they wanted until it was right in front of them. Beyond the ratings and fan excitement, the reunion symbolized something bigger, the way shared cultural experiences connect generations. In 2000, families and friends gathered around television sets to watch strangers interact in ways that felt oddly relatable and endlessly fascinating. In 2025, fans across the globe gathered again, this time through live tweeting, watch parties, and instant reaction videos. The technology had changed, but the sense of community remained the same. That is the true magic of Big Brother and why this reunion resonated so strongly. After 24 years, the show reminded everyone why it mattered in the first place. It wasn't just about strategy, competitions, or evictions. It was about people living together, clashing, bonding, and being human in front of the world. That authenticity has always been the beating heart of the series. The reunion proved that even after decades, those human connections still have power. Fans left the event feeling satisfied but also wanting more. The sight of those familiar faces laughing together, hugging, and remembering where it all started created a moment of pure television history. It was not just a reunion, it was a celebration of everything Big Brother has given to entertainment and to the people who have followed it faithfully for almost a quarter of a century. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.